Lockheed Martin are a main player in defence, as we know, but they've also got a huge focus on the future and space as well. And to find out more, I've got Dan Tenney here, the Vice President of Strategy and Business Development for Lockheed Martin Space. It's great to see you here at the Farnborough International Air Show. I mean, it's so nice to be back in person, but what are Lockheed Martin doing at the moment? I know there's a lot of developments going on.
Yeah, Bryn, well, thanks for the great introduction. It is great to be here. You can see our F-35 behind us here, and being back together at the Farnborough Air Show, I can think of no greater place to be at the current moment. You know, we're really proud to be here where we're engaging with our customers and our stakeholders and our partners to talk about the future space. And as you know, Bryn, we're really interested in how we protect people worldwide, how we connect citizens worldwide, and how we explore the unknowns of the universe. And so we can touch on all of those, but we got connections here that we've had all week talking to our partners about that.
How has focus on space changed over the last few years? I mean, we're coming off the back of this COVID pandemic. I know everyone knows this, but has focus changed over these last few years?
You know, one of the things we've seen in space is that we got to move with a sense of urgency. You know, we think about connecting people worldwide, whether it be the troops in the battlefield or providing early warning to severe weather. We had some severe weather here recently in the United Kingdom, didn't we, Bryn? But providing capabilities, you know, Lockheed Martin satellites are providing early warning systems to severe weather worldwide. We're also protecting the most valuable things we can. You know, early warning systems, deterrence from global threats are extremely important to us. And as you know, Bryn, you might have seen the announcement of James Webb Space Telescope. You know, our near infrared camera is providing the greatest images that have ever been seen in the galaxy beyond. We're talking about stars and galaxies that are over 13 billion years old. Pretty incredible.
It's incredible and also mind-blowing, and the images are fascinating, and I can't wait to see more from it. When we talk about future developments, I mean, that's one of them, but you guys made an announcement recently that's kind of pertinent to us here in the UK.
Yeah, we sure did. So one of our strategies really is to think about our allied nations and how we work together. We're proud to be partnering with the United Kingdom. Earlier this week, we had a major announcement where we're partnering with Northumbria University in the Northeast Corridor. It's extremely important. We're engaging faculty there. We're interested in some technologies they have around power beaming as well as laser communication. But it also, Bryn, is really important to us because we want to help the United Kingdom build the industrial base as they level up. You know, the interest here in space couldn't be higher. And one of the things we know we need is more people that are going to science, technology, math fields. Those are extremely important to us. So partnering with Northumbria was really important to us. It's just one of many investments that we're making in the United Kingdom as we continue to advance with the government.
One thing that struck me before we started rolling was you said that even if the people that come out of Northumbria University or even that come into training, the engineers and things, don't end up working for Lockheed Martin, it's still a benefit to Lockheed Martin.
Absolutely. You know, one of our strategies we recognize as a large aerospace company, it's critically important for us to partner with companies worldwide. And one of the things we're really working on is we want to bring the best technology to bear. And if that best technology comes from us, we're going to bring it. If it comes from one of our partners, we're going to bring it. So we would love to engage students early on and have them come work for us here in the United Kingdom. But if they don't work for us, we'd love for them to work with one of our partners that we're collaborating with. That, you know, it's one of those old things, Bryn, of competition builds innovation. And so we're keenly interested in building innovation. And so that's why we're partnered with so many groups here in the United Kingdom and other nations that are helping to bring the best technology has to bear.
It's about making the globe smaller, isn't it? Bringing everyone together. What is the focus going to be, say, in the next 10 years or so? What are we going to be seeing, the changes that are going to be made in the next decade?
Yeah, so as an international company, Bryn, one of the things we're working on extremely hard is to build allied nations together. We think that it's a great thing to have deterrent. It's the number one thing we can do to deter global threats. When deterrent doesn't work, we have to engage in defense. But when we have strong allied nations that are working together, it's the greatest way we can protect citizens worldwide. The other thing you're going to see from us is we're going to move fast. We're going to move with a sense of urgency. We want to have a global supply chain. I think we can all relate to over the last 2 years under COVID. One of the things we've seen is the breakdown of a supply chain. And so what we really want to do is enable more small companies to be successful in the space realm. You're going to see that from us coming forward. The last thing you're going to see is interconnectivity. We really want to have the ability to connect people worldwide. I mean, you've seen the global positioning system, and you know that millions of people every day use that for directions. And you can think of the power of that as we continue to connect nations worldwide. And so that's really a focus of ours, is to engage internationally.
It feels like we are at a very, very interesting, exciting, and also critical time as well. Dan, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me today. It's been a pleasure to be here at Farnborough. We've just had a great week. It's been an exciting show, and thank you for engaging with me today.